Hello everyone, myself Seema Patil. My seminar topic is on agriculture price prediction using ML techniques. These are the contents which I will cover in this video. Introduction. Agriculture takes a tremendous role in the development of India and it is foundation of Indian economy. Agriculture still contributes more to the GDP of India compared to the other several emerging sectors such as BPOs and IT sectors. Agriculture considered as more dominant sector. It increases the foreign exchange by contributing more to the exports of India. The above factors along with some more impact on cultivation of crop. For the reason farmers need to accurate advice to predict the crop price and productivity of the crop. A consulted examination should be carried out to achieve a desired results accurately. Yield is an important agriculture issue. Large amount of data can be gathered from Indian agriculture sector. Knowledge acquired from data is highly useful for many purposes. Data mining is a better technique and better choice in predicting the accurate price of the agriculture based on previous data. In this work, various data mining algorithms are applied on the dataset to predict the future prices of the agriculture products. This is the brief introduction of my topic. Objective. The work focuses on analyzing such agriculture data using techniques, data mining, and gaining the knowledge obtained from the result. The overall comparison of results obtained from several algorithms will help in selecting the more appropriate algorithm for agriculture data. Large amount of data can be gathered from Indian agriculture sector. Knowledge acquired from data is highly useful for many purposes. Area of the project. Data mining is the process of analyzing the large data set, which include the several steps called analyzing, classification, clustering of the data. This process is necessary in analyzing the raw and random data to process the further steps in predicting the price. Classification. Classification is based on categorical learning and supervised learning. Based on the training sets and values, the data can be classified by using decision tree, neural network, and Navy Bayesian classification. The goals are achieved. Regression. To map a data item to a real value prediction variable, use regression techniques. In this technique, the target values are known. Time series analysis. A time dependent series of data points are explained by using statistical techniques is the process of time series analysis. For example, less quantity of crops throughout the place will increase the cost of crops. Prediction. The relationship between dependent and independent variables are discovered in the prediction techniques. It is based on continuous or ordered value. Methodology. The system analyzes and predict the cost of agriculture data with high accuracy. The following diagram depicts the process model for analysis and prediction of agriculture crop price using data mining. The raw and random data instance containing the values like crop name, year, and production rate per hectare collected from the statistical department, and it is converted into structural format using MS Excel. Then the dataset containing the previous year's crop prices is supplied to a tool as a input in which turns to create a training model where the test can be chucked onto training set. The prices of agriculture products can be predicted using decision tree algorithm by cross validation process. A data set. Agriculture crops price are influenced by many various demands for crops and supply. The data is include the daily base data of several commodity of several markets of Karnataka states. Collecting the data will with all other parameters is more difficult task, hence the considered only the price of various crops from Karnataka state Krishi department. The data are collected. The example of dataset sample. Data pre-processing. The raw and random data collected from the Krishi department need to be pre-processed in the order to make the data suitable for future analysis. Data featureization. Featureization include conversion of categorical into numerical data using techniques of data mining. Hypothesis. It is a pre-trained model with 70% of data which we call hypothesis. Predicting the price. The crop price is taken as input with attributes including year, month, day, commodity name, market. By applying algorithm, the price of the crop thus be predicting using dataset. Future scope. This model allows the farmer also get the desired and estimated price of their yield. But this model can be proposed in future as the farmer can directly sell his agriculture commodities through e-commerce website. There is no role of middleman and therefore there can be no loss for both the farmers and the customers. The farmers can directly sell his agriculture commodities through e-commerce website. The customer can log into that website and purchase those commodities according to his needs. For the farmers, the agriculture department can help the farmers in uploading his agriculture commodities to the e-commerce website. The advantages and disadvantages. The application of computer science in agriculture would help the farmers to easily analyze and predict the price of the agriculture products. Applying data mining for agriculture data can solve many complex problems, avoiding interaction of human. There is no role of middleman and therefore there can be no loss for both the farmers and customers. The farmers also get the desired or estimated price for their yield. The disadvantages. Price. The price of the agriculture data is not constant and need to handle varying prices of crop. Huge data. The data set for analyzing and prediction containing large amount of data. Dataset. There is no available dataset need to be built. The dataset with daily prices of crops. Operations. In upcoming years, many more algorithms and operations are available for the data mining. Conclusion. Application of data mining techniques in agriculture is an evolving field of research and there is a lot of work to be done. So the application of computer science in agriculture would help the farmers to easily analyze and predict the price of the agriculture products. Our system describes some data mining techniques on agricultural data to analyze and predict the price of future agriculture products. From the survey of various papers, it can be possible to predict prices of crops with a higher accuracy. These are the references. Thank you.